Hello everyone, welcome back to cryptogains for another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what we are seeing right now in this market. And I know that this may be scaring a lot of people, but I'm going to help you understand what's going on right now, okay? If you are new to my channel, I'm going to help you keep calm and just chill. Please drop the like, give me a subscribe. I'm going to dive into this, but before I do so, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, but please always do your own research before investing any money. That being said, let me tell you what I think is going on right now. You have whales who have huge amounts of crypto that are taking profits. That's the first thing. Second thing, you have many new people that are getting in this industry. And I see, when I look at this, I can only think of Dogecoin and the people that came from the stock market that has moved into the crypto market and have been buying coins really high. Now you got to remember, there's always going to be new people. And if they're buying high and they treat it like a stock, and then they realize that the stock's falling down, they're going to panic sell because they just feel like they're losing money. But if you have been subscribed to my YouTube channel, we know that it takes time to build what we need to build and to obviously achieve the goals that we want to achieve. And this sort of thing does not scare me. And guys, please don't let it scare you. Do you know what I see when I see this? I see this like a buffet. Like chicken is cheap. Beans is cheap. I don't know what else. Chocolate's cheap. Guys, how many times when you walk into a shop and if you see something that's really high, you walk away because you look at the price label and go, oh, actually, no, that's a bit too high. But if you saw it was like 30% off, 50% off, well, in this case, 21% off. Let's scroll down. 22% off of XRP. You would be buying that. And this is what I want you to really consider. Look at this. Dogecoin's come down 23% off. I look at this, oh my days, crypto coin 40% off. I look at this like a buying opportunity. And some people don't. Some people panic. And if you are someone that's been panicking today and you're not sure what to do and you're worried about losing money, guys, I hope this video opens up your eyes to something here, right? Because I'm going to show you a few things. This video is going to be based on ZILLIQA, obviously, because the thumbnail. But I wanted to talk about this first. I can see ZILLIQA's come down in price. Like I said, it's dropped. But for me, this is like a buying opportunity. How many people? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's really have a look. Because I'm sure there was a lot of people that had been wishing they had got into ZILLIQA when I said way back when. And then they didn't buy it. And then they watched the prices go up high and high and high and high and high. Guys, this is an opportunity. And let me just show you how high it's been so far, because I believe it's going higher, but it's very normal to see these prices take a correction. It went up to 10.8 or 10 pence, almost 11 pence, it says there. I think it was actually higher because sometimes that chart doesn't show it fully. Let me just come down here and see. Oh no, that's just going to show all-time high, isn't it? But from here, it's not even reached this all-time high yet, by the way. But so far, it's been up, it almost hit 11 pence. And I bet a lot of you are thinking, damn, to get 100,000, I've got to spend £11,000. Now I look at this and say, well, this is a perfect opportunity for those who missed the opportunity to buy ZILLIQA at a cheap price. Guys, please, this is the perfect opportunity to be buying. And I'm going to do a bit of a price analysis as well on this. Let's just have a look. If you've seen my channel, now and again I do some price analysis, and sometimes it usually works out. I'm not the best at it, but I'm good enough to know what I need to know. So as you can see here, this was the 21-day moving average. And usually it's a significant moving average to let you know where prices are going to go. And as you can see all through the past, when prices have taken a fall, it's always come back to the 21 average. It's bounced off it and it's come back and it's bounced off it. And if it's ever dropped lower, then obviously, and if it stayed below, then obviously prices change. But as you can see, it's bounced back up and it's always kind of remained off that 21 moving average. As we can see today, it's just broke it. So what we can do now is look for the get my words out. Look for the next moving average for ZILLIQA, which in my eyes would be the 50-day moving average. So what I'm going to do here is click on my settings, and I'm going to change this to the 50 because I want to see what's going on. As I do that, you can see perfectly clear that it looks like it's been at the moment being held as support by the 50-day moving average. If this is the case and it remains like this, then we could see prices bounce off of it, like I said on the 21-day. And if we look 50, let bounce off of it, bounce off of it. And you know, if this falls, then I'll do another video and show you where the next level is. But I'm watching this 50-day moving average today on ZILLIQA. And another thing to remember, guys, is there's a lot of people that are thinking, well, is this the high? Is this the all-time high? Are we at all-time highs for the crypto industry? Remember what I've showed you on my last videos, guys. Look, you guys should be watching now at this sort of time. Guys, you guys should be watching this. I'm saying guys too many times. You should be watching this. All-time high very soon. And the other one, where was it? Down here. The next all-time high prices. These are the videos right now I want you to go and be watching. So please, right-click on them, open up the tabs, have them ready for when you finish this video, just watch them. And you're going to get a better understanding of the market and see where we are going. I take ZILLIQA as an opportunity to buy. And for those who missed it, guys, please, really take this off. 27% off. Oh my God. Let me just show you something interesting. I'm going to bring up the Bitcoin market, the chart for the Bitcoin market. This was what I used to show you when I think the all-time's near. And have a look, guys. Look at the color, because if you watched my last all-time high videos, I said when it's been blue, it's always been a good time to buy. And as time goes on, I'm looking for that red, guys. And let me just zoom this out to show you what I'm looking for. Let's look what happened in the last all-time high, because now you can have a very clear and clean perspective of what's going on and what we're looking for. And again, the pi cycle tells you when you've hit the top, right? Because it prints this purple line saying this was the all-time high. We aren't there yet. Okay? We aren't there yet. And this is for Bitcoin. But the reason I show you Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is dominating the market right now. And for me, if whatever Bitcoin does, these coins are going to follow. You're seeing these prices fall because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is taking its dump and the coins are dumping with it. So let's really take a good look at this. Let me just show you. I'm going to show you guys in this, guys. This is important before I move more into ZILLIQA, because then we can get a better understanding on what we should be doing with ZILLIQA. So, right now, I think we're at this stage around here. You know, we saw a bit of yellow. Prices might fall down, and we'll see a bit more green, and then more yellow. Who knows? This is what I'm thinking. But when I see red, then I know we're at the all-time high. But let's just take a look at what's going on, right? Because Bitcoin is at a really important part right now. I'm going to take the pi cycle off and put the Bitcoin investor tool on. We are at a very important part right now for Bitcoin. And this is very, very clean and simple. You can see it. And I always said to you in the past, when it's broke this red line, we see a huge explosion up, which then leads into becoming at the top of the market, hence why it's turning yellow, right? And then red. But we haven't done that yet. And if it doesn't break it, guys, look what's happened in the past when it did this. Have a look. See this? Every time it's come up to this red line, if it's hit it and it hasn't passed it, it's taken a correction, guys. Look at this. And this is what we're seeing. So there's a bit of burp action there. We're seeing it look like it, again, not confirmed yet, give it more time, but this looks like it's taking a little breather. And then it's come back up even higher, you see, because it didn't pass this red line. But guys, you best believe when it actually did clear with some candles, it went right up high. So I'm looking at this in the future, and I'm saying, well, Bitcoin's playing a dominant part right now. And as we can see, a long red line has been printed. And we might be seeing a little correction, but guys, you best believe we're going back up. So take this opportunity to be buying the altcoins that you want to buy. And guys, you know, again, these prices now should help you go towards your target of buying ZILLIQA and reaching your whatever goals you want to have, whether it's your 10,000, your 20,000, your 50,000, your 100,000. You can reach that goal based on these price falls. You know, £1,000 now will give you 14,864. And you know what, guys? I'm not selling nothing right now. But you best believe when I do start to sell, my patrons will be the first to know. Same for when I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be buying coins through this fall. I'm hoping that this fall lasts a bit longer, actually, to be honest. because you know, the prices will be going up. And I'm just hoping that it can just last a bit longer or go a bit lower. Let's take a look at the biggest drops in the last 24 hours. So this is the biggest wins in the last 24 hours. Some coins are still rising through this. Yeah. Let's just take a look at the biggest drops. We've seen a 45% drop in the last 24 hours for crypto.com. That's almost 50% off. Damn. The graph. You know, look at these. Look at these prices that have been falling. Take this as an opportunity, guys. That's all I can say. And me go 30% off. If I walked into Top Man and I saw a t-shirt for 30% off, I'll be buying 2 of them, I promise you. So, guys, I'm not going to say too much more on this. This is just a little price analysis, just a little talk on the market to let you know that this for me, this is perfectly normal. You know, we get a breather. And that's like I said, ZILLIQA. Let's see if we hold this 50%. Sorry, 50. I've been talking about 50% off. Let's see if we hold this 50-day moving average. Because if we do, then I believe it will bounce off, and then we might see some more highs. And then you'll just be kicking yourself, wishing that you got it at 6 pence, knowing that you're gonna have to pay 11 pence again. And let me just show you what 6 pence looks like in dollars before I go. Yeah. So let me just bring this in a little bit. So 6 pence in dollars. So 0.06. What's it? Why is it not doing? 0.06. You're looking at 8 cents right now. Would you rather buy something at 8 cents? Or would you rather buy something at 15 cents? Simple math, guys. If you like this, please drop a like. And if there's any other coin you want me to do today, because I'm looking to do another video today with another coin, look at the price analysis and things just like this. And I'm going to show you some of these charts again, because I think it's important to see if you haven't, because there's going to be people that might not watch this. But if there's another coin you want to do, guys, please drop it in the comments below. I want to go through some coins today whilst the prices are falling and help you get a better understanding on them, and hopefully, you know, it won't panic you and you will remain calm, because you know what, my patrons, they remain calm. We remain calm. We know what we're doing. So yeah, guys, I'm going to do a special shout out to my patrons actually while I'm on this page. Shout out to Jack, Daniel Atkins, Toyin Oteri, Glenda, It's Time, Ross Burford, Zpax Zpax, Silent Crypto, Abdul-Kareem, Kora Black, SM, Ibby A, iDry, and Andrew. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for all the extra patrons that have become a patron of mine. I see you. And if there's if there's any new patrons that have come on and I haven't said your name yet, don't worry, you will be updated in the next coming videos. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here with you. Drop those comments. I want to know what video you want me to do next on which coin, because you know, I'm going to be doing another video on a coin today, and it's going to be interesting on the prices. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helped, and oh, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.